Hey, what up everyone? Doing eBay box break 90, 11-12 limited. Here's your last team that was auctioned off. Alright, good luck to everyone. A few big ones in there. One real big one. Alright, here we go. For the Ottawa Senators, got a base Jason Spezza at a $2.99. Here we got a red for the Detroit Red Wings, Henrik Zetterberg at a $49. Here we got for the Blackhawks, Jeremy Roenick at a $2.99. Nice. Here we got for the Canadians, Aaron Palusha, Phenoms rookie auto out of $2.99. Here we got for the Blue Jackets, jersey of Rick Nash. Let's see what we got here. For the Stars, nice. Got a Louis Eriksson jumbo jersey, or a prime patch, looks like. There it is. A little bit of black sneaking in this corner here. It's numbered 47 out of 50. And the Nash was out of 99. And last card here, we got a Cam Ward for the Hurricanes Crease Cleaners out of 199. Alright, thank you everyone for joining. Hope to see you next time.